Hello, beautiful you. Thanks for joining me today. This is kind of my bon voyage, or probably more appropriate, my adios. I am so excited I get to go on a whole week vacation with just my husband. So excited. So I'm going to be kind of missing on the blog scene for the next week because where we're going probably doesn't have internet, or if it does, I'm not going to be checking it, because I'm going to be hanging out with my husband. So I'm really excited. And so this is kind of my apology, my pre-warning, and my just letting you know. So tomorrow is the very last day. Tomorrow, Friday, October 5th, my 11-year anniversary, is the very last day that you can get my Healthy Holiday Challenge at the discounted price, which is $50 instead of $75. So you're saving 25 bucks. So go and sign up, register, and then get all your friends and family to do it too, because you need support during the holidays when you've got a goal you're trying to reach. It's always helpful to have support. So go sign up and then wait for me in another week. I will be very tan and glowing from a week of full night's sleep. Oh, I'm so excited. So anyway, I hope this video finds you well and happy, and I hope you are doing everything that you can every day to do things that make you feel better, because you deserve it. Sure you do. We all do. Stop playing the martyr and start taking charge of your life, because you are awesome and you deserve it, and you need to take care of yourself. If not for yourself, if you can't do that for yourself yet, then do it for those around you, for those that care about you and that want to see you happy, because they do. Everybody does. We love you. We all love you. So do something nice for yourself today. Set up a hair appointment, a nail appointment, take a nap, find a good indulgent book, a TV show, movie, set up a date with your girlfriends or your husband or whatever makes you feel good. Go sit in the sun for 10 minutes and just close your eyes and just feel the energy of light flooding your body, because you are worth it. Adios.